Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Children, I am missing you all a lot. Are you missing me? Okay. So children, what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn alphabet letters. So what do you mean by alphabet? Alphabet means ABC. Okay. So we are going to learn ABC. You are okay? You want to learn or no? Say loudly. You want to learn? Yes, we want to learn. Children, you remember we have done numbers before and after? You remember? Come on, tell me. Who remember? Who knows before and after? Okay, who will tell me? What is this? This is number 5. So what comes before 5? Before means pehle. Remember na? Before means pehle. आगे का number. So what comes before 5? 4. So what comes before 5? 4. So before means पहले, आगे, and after means बाद में, पीछे का number. So after 5 what comes? 6. So before means the number, whichever number is given to you, you have to see the number before. आगे का number देखना है. And in after, whichever number is given, you have to see the number which comes behind. पीछे आता है. Okay. So, okay, who will tell me what comes before 8? Where is 8? Put your fingers on 8. Where is 8? Yes, this is 8. So, what comes before 8? Tell me children, what comes before 8? Before means pehle. So, what comes before 8? 7. Very good. And what comes after 8? After means baad mein. So, what comes after 8? 9. So, you remember children before and after? Very good. So, this is your number line. Okay. You know numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. These are numbers. And this is the number line. And you remember before means pehle, aage, and after means baad mein, piche. So now children, today we are going to do alphabets. We are going to do before and after alphabet. So now you all know what do you mean by before and what do you mean by after. Children, you know ABCD or you forgot? Bhul gaye? Chalo, I will brush up. Once we will brush up. So this is capital letters. Capital means bade. So this is capital letter ABCD. Come on, say with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are capital letters. These are capital letters. Now what are these? These are small letters. Chote. Again we will say one more time ABCD. Now this is small letters. These were capital letters and now we are doing small letters. So what is this? Small letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these were small alphabets. So now you have to remember which are capital alphabets and which are small alphabet. Now see, this is an alphabet tree. Here you can see A and this capital letter A and small letter a. So you can see the difference. This is a capital letter A and this is a small letter a. What is this? Capital letter B, small letter b. Capital letter C, small letter c. Capital letter D, small letter d. Capital letter E, small letter e. Capital letter F, small letter f. Capital letter G, small letter g. Capital letter H, small letter h. Capital letter I, small letter I. Capital letter J, small letter j. Capital letter K, small letter k. Capital letter L, small letter l. Capital letter M, small letter m. Capital letter N, small letter n. Capital letter O, small letter o. Capital letter P, small letter p. Capital letter Q, small letter q. Capital letter R, small letter r. Capital letter S, small letter s. Capital letter T, small letter t. Capital letter U, small letter u. Capital letter V, small letter v. Capital letter W, small letter w. Capital letter X, small letter x. Capital letter Y, small letter y. Capital letter Z, small letter z. Sorry children. Capital letter Z, small letter z. Now this was what? This was alphabet tree. Now children, have you noticed? Capital letter will touch the first red line. Okay? And small letters, few alphabets will touch the first red line, but mostly they are on the two blue lines. So these are capital letters and small letters together. So now children, what we are going to do today? We are going to do before and after alpha. Again I am telling you, before means pehle, after means baad mein. Now which alphabet is this? J. Now what comes before J? J se pehle kya aata hai? I. And what comes after J? K. Okay? Children, come on, tell me, where is letter T? Where is letter T? Who will tell me where is letter T? Come on, fast, tell me where is letter T. Put your finger. Put your finger on letter T. Here is letter T. So now what comes before T? Come on, we will say ABCD again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Stop now. Okay, stop on T because we have to see what comes before T. So stop. So what comes before T? What comes before T? S. What comes before T? S. S, T, U. So what comes after T? U. Okay children? You have to see which alphabet is there. Then you have to say A, B, C, D till that alphabet only. You don't have to say till Z. Suppose teacher will say what comes before L? So you will say A to L. You will not say A to Z. You will say till A to L only. And then you have to remember, you have to recall what was there before L. So what comes before L? K. K, L, M. Okay? Now children, which alphabet is this? Which alphabet is this? This is small letter B. Which alphabet is this? This is small letter B. Children, you have to see which alphabet is it. If it is capital letter, then before you will write capital. Before and after you will write capital. If it is small, then you will write before and after small. Okay, now which alphabet is this? This is small letter B. So what comes before B? Come on, see. Where is B? Here. So what comes before B? A. Very good. So you will write A. So what comes before B? A. And what comes after B? A, B, C. So what comes after B? C. A, B, C. Okay, which alphabet is this? Come on, 10. Q. So where is alphabet Q? Here. So now what comes before Q? What comes before Q? P. So what comes before Q? What comes before Q? P. P, Q. After Q, what will come? R. P, Q, R.